Look, and now some interesting facts about parrots. Some parrots can live to be 80 years old in captivity. The oldest known parrot lived to be 83 years old. Many parrots can outlive their human owners. Baby parrots are born blind and don't get their feathers until they're about 2 weeks old. Some species of parrots can start talking as young as 3 months old. Hope you like it.